This is a quick video on the challenges of screen cleaning in the water industry. Now, a wide variety of screens are used in the water industry. To keep them operating properly, they need to be regularly cleaned so as to avoid clogging and blockages. Now, this short video highlights 4 common challenges and how to overcome them in screen cleaning. So number 1, remote and inaccessible sites. A lot of CSO screens are in remote sites. Wash water might not be available, the site might be hard to get to, and the screen is sometimes inaccessible even when people are on site. So the solution to this is to have automated cleaning systems with installed wash water infrastructure. So automate it rather than have manual cleaning. Number 2, the second challenge, shadowing from the screen itself. Many static screens may be in a waveform. This makes them difficult to clean. The screen itself blocks cleaning jets, making it tough to reach each part of it. Now, the solution to this is to have a properly designed cleaning systems. Simply bunging water at a screen is not enough. A properly designed cleaning system will consider the geometry and the shape of the screen and many other factors to ensure success. So third challenge is tough residues. Fats and oils can form sticky residues that bind solids to the screen. In other cleaning applications, in other industries, fats and oils can be dissolved with solvents, but this is not really practical in most CSO screen cleaning systems in the water industry. As such, we really just need to rely on water impact and the volume of water to do the job, to do the cleaning. The solution is a properly designed jetting system that can deliver the required impact cleaning to dislodge the residue. And the fourth challenge, the final challenge we're going to look at, is wash water quality. The water quality available on site might not be good. If it is good, if good quality potable water is available, it's actually very wasteful to use that water to clean CSO screens. It's not a hygienic clean where after we're just looking to dislodge residue. So using fully treated potable water is just a waste and costly. So as such, any nozzle-based system, any automated system must be able to cope with poor quality water. Otherwise, it itself will become clogged and ineffective. So the solution is quite simple. It's a jetting system that can cope with poor quality wash water. And these systems exist. They're part of the systems that we at SMP sell. If you want to find out more about our automated CSO screen cleaning and storm tank cleaning systems, please get in contact today. We work with water engineering contractors and systems integrators of all types to design the most efficient cleaning systems for screens and tanks. So if you want to work with us to integrate our advanced automated cleaning systems into your design, we'd be delighted to hear from you.